Have you ever felt like your reality is being twisted? Like your memories, perceptions, and even sanity are being questioned? If so, you might be a victim of gaslighting. It's a subtle but insidious form of manipulation that can erode your self-confidence, leave you questioning your own mind, and even damage your relationships. So, what exactly is gaslighting? It's a psychological tactic used by someone to make you doubt your own reality. They may deny your experiences, minimize your feelings, or even accuse you of being crazy or imagining things. The goal is to make you question yourself and your perception of the world, leaving you feeling confused, isolated, and powerless. Here are 9 signs that gaslighting might be happening to you. Your reality is constantly questioned. Your partner or someone close to you consistently challenges your memories, perceptions, or experiences. They may tell you that you're overreacting, too sensitive, or imagining things. You're made to feel crazy or irrational. You're constantly being told that you're crazy, unstable, or out of touch with reality. This can erode your self-esteem and make you doubt your own judgment. Your feelings are dismissed or minimized. When you express your feelings, they're dismissed or downplayed. You may be told that your emotions are exaggerated or unreasonable. You're blamed for everything. You're constantly blamed for problems, even when they have nothing to do with you. This can leave you feeling guilty and responsible for things that aren't your fault. You're isolated from friends and family. Your partner or abuser may try to isolate you from your loved ones, making you feel more dependent on them and less likely to seek help. You're constantly apologizing. You find yourself apologizing for things that aren't your fault. This is a common tactic used by gaslighters to keep you feeling guilty and submissive. You doubt your own memory. You start to question your own memory and reality. You may wonder if you're actually going crazy or if your partner is telling the truth. You feel like you're walking on eggshells. You're constantly afraid of saying or doing the wrong thing, as you never know when your partner might turn on you. You're exhausted and emotionally drained. Gaslighting can be emotionally exhausting. You may feel constantly stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation in which a person or group makes someone question their reality, perception, or memories. Here are some real-life examples. 1. In a relationship scenario, a person finds evidence that their partner is cheating, such as texts or emails. Gaslighting. Response: the partner might say, "You're imagining things," or "You're paranoid and overreacting." They might even delete the evidence and claim it never existed, making the other person doubt their perception and memory. 2. In the workplace scenario, an employee is consistently given more work than their peers, but when they bring it up, their manager denies it. Gaslighting response: the manager might say, "You're just not managing your time well," or "Everyone has the same workload. You're just being overly sensitive." This can make the employee question their ability to handle the job. 3. Family dynamics scenario. A child recalls being told by a parent that they would attend an important event, but the parent doesn't show up. Gaslighting response: the parent might say, "I never said I would be there," or "You must have misunderstood." Over time, the child may begin to doubt their memory and trust in their own experiences. 4. Friendship scenario. A friend makes a hurtful comment and, when confronted, denies ever saying it. Gaslighting response: they might say, "You're too sensitive, I never said that," or "You're making things up again." This can lead the person to question whether they are overreacting or imagining things. 5. Medical situation scenario. A patient complains of symptoms that a doctor dismisses. Gaslighting response: the doctor might say, "It's all in your head," or "You're just stressed." This can cause the patient to doubt their own body and delay seeking further help, potentially worsening their condition. Gaslighting can happen in any relationship where there is a power imbalance, and it can have serious effects on a person's mental health, leading to anxiety, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. If you recognize these signs in your relationship, it's important to know that you're not alone. Gaslighting is a common form of manipulation, and it's not your fault. The first step to recovery is to acknowledge that you're being gaslighted and to seek help. Here are some tips for managing gaslighting. Believe in yourself. Remember that you're not crazy or imagining things. Your feelings and experiences are valid. Document everything. Keep a journal or record instances of gaslighting. This can be helpful in documenting the abuse and seeking support. Seek support. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or therapist about what you're going through. Having a support system can be invaluable. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries with your abuser. Let them know that their behavior is unacceptable and that you won't tolerate it. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, trust your gut. Your intuition can be a valuable tool in recognizing gaslighting. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to cope with gaslighting, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor. They can provide you with support, guidance, and coping strategies. Remember, you deserve to be treated with respect and dignity. Gaslighting is a form of abuse, and it's not your fault. By recognizing the signs and taking steps to protect yourself, you can break free from the cycle of manipulation and reclaim your life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on mental health, relationships, and personal empowerment. In the comments below, share your experiences with gaslighting. If you're currently in a gaslighting situation, know that you're not alone. There are people who care about you and want to help. Until next time, remember that you're strong, you're not alone, and you deserve to be treated with respect. Take care.